Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you probably guessed already, we are going to stamp, but not just any stamping. We're talking layered stamping. Layered stamping took me a bit to really figure out, and now I'm going to show you the steps I followed to make it a breeze. For that purpose, I'll be using all clear jelly stamper items, starting with their amazing silicone mat, which will save our surfaces. The fact that clear jelly stamper invented layered stamping made it even more convenient. To continue with my favorite stamper of all times, their Big Bling XL stamper, which when you purchase it, you get this beautiful stamper with 2 stamper heads and a scraper. The plate we'll use is CJS 123, oh so succulent. This is such a cute plate. Everything flowers and plants is so versatile when it comes to nails. Now, the polishes we'll use for today's tutorial are number 1, 11, and 83. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's remove the blue protection film from the plate. And we are now ready to start. The first thing you want to do when doing layered stamping is to identify which images go together and in which order. In this case, we'll use these 3 images, starting with the full main color, the details, and then the contour. When there are several layers, I like to always go from the darkest color to the lightest. So here I'll do the first layer using color number 11, Dollar Bill. Remove the parts you don't want and stamp. I'll just clean the plate with acetone and go on with the second layer. This time I'll be using number 83, Vintage Julep. When stamping the second layer and all the following ones, you want to make sure you place the image the same way you did the first one. Now that we have our colors, let's do the contour using number 01, more like 1 a.m. Again, place it the same way you did the other ones and voila! And don't worry, placement doesn't have to be 100% perfect to give you a good result. Now let's go over the steps once again. So first, identify your images and the order in which they go. Stamp your first layer with your darkest color. Stamp the second one with the lightest. And outline the whole thing. Also, if you don't get the placement right, you can always fix it with a little bit of acetone and a brush. These simple steps will now give you beautiful layered images every time. Of course, this is what has worked for me. If you have other tips and tricks and want to share them, definitely write them down in the comment section below, as I would love to know about them. I hope this video will have helped you. If it did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!